Hey guys, my name is Ben. I wanted to share a little bit about why I'm going to be doing a series of videos on my new truck. So I've always loved trucks, SUVs, and since I've been a kid, I've always been a fan of Toyota. I recently was able to sell my F-150 and purchase a Tundra. Came out of Toyota. So yeah, my history of vehicles, my first car was a 1981 Toyota Corolla. It was UPS brown. I got it from my grandma. Then I went into a Jeep for a little bit, and I got quickly back to a Toyota into a 2001 4Runner. And from there, I've had a series of 4Runners and Tacomas. And then I recently was able to get this 2022 Tundra. I bought it used. It's 2025 May, and I wanted to do a series on this truck and what it takes to own it, what it takes to maintain it, and what I like about it, all the good, the bad, the ugly, the fun I'm gonna have with it with the family. I've got 3 kids, go biking, have a dog, or had a dog, and we're gonna just take it, and I'm gonna take you with me as I do the different things I usually do to a vehicle to maintain it, to get it up to speed, to bring it back to health. So what I've typically done is I like to buy used cars. I like to try to buy them if I can outright. And so what I did here with this Tundra is I bought a used truck. It has 49,000 miles on it, and I'm going to take it and kind of rehab it back to exactly the way it came stock, and do all the maintenance to refresh the fluids and do everything to make sure it's going to last me a long time. I like to keep my vehicles a long time, or at least have the option to keep it a long time if I don't trade into something else. But my goal for this truck is to keep it for 8 to 10 years. And so I'm going to take you with me as I do everything to it, share with you kind of the ways I track the maintenance and the expenses that I incur, anything that has to do with the truck and what it takes me to keep it up. I do all my own maintenance if I can. If I have to go outside, then I'll go find a good dealer or mechanic to help me out. I'm not the best at video editing, but I'm going to do my best to just keep things short, to the point, and share with you kind of the experience that I have, and hopefully it'll benefit you. And if you're looking at a Toyota or a Tundra specifically, this will help you out with some of the things that I found have been helpful for me to keep my cars running well and serving me and my family. So I'm going to take you with me. Welcome to join me on this journey. And yeah, I'm looking forward to all the different things. So until the next time, I'll see you.